Ever wish insurance came with a user manual? Well, it does now. Let's unravel your cover together. Life changes from time to time. Moving to a new city, having a baby, or starting a new job can affect your insurance needs. As your life changes, so does your policy. Ask your company to add your baby. Send them a copy of the birth certificate within 4 weeks of birth, and they will liaise with us for the addition. When adding children, please check your benefit guide, as limits may apply in certain cases. Moving countries? Contact our helpline, as it may impact your cover or your premium and also inform your company. If you're changing your email address, just send us an email. If your group cover ends, you can apply for our individual healthcare plans. Just send us an email within 1 month of leaving the group policy. You will find more details about all these processes in your benefit guide. Remember, we're here to help you make the most of your cover. Check out our other how-to videos for more tips.